Usually when you think avocados, you think guacamole, you think avocado toast, or you think an ingredient in a salad. But did you know that you can use avocado in an entree and a dessert? And I'm here to show you how to do that right now. Hi, I'm Joann Loy. I'm a certified raw vegan chef and I've been uncooking since 2010. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red pepper tomato soup with an avocado as an ingredient to help thicken and also make it creamy. And then I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate pudding that is absolutely delicious, and the avocado is a key ingredient and it is super creamy and super rich and good and very healthy for you. So let's get started right now.
Okay, the ingredients for the pudding are avocado, maple syrup, almond milk, cacao powder, and vanilla.
We interrupt this program for a nutritional moment. Avocados contain more potassium than bananas, with lots of B vitamins as well as vitamin C, E, and K. Although it is high in fat, 77% of its calories are from fat, it is a healthy fat that reduces inflammation and improves heart disease risk. It is also high in fiber to help feed that gut microbiome.
Put all of your ingredients into your food processor. Scoop out all the meat from the avocado. Pouring in the almond milk, the maple syrup, or you can use another sweetener of your choice, agave, honey, or whatever. Your vanilla, and the raw cacao powder. And blend that up really well. You'll see chunks of avocado on the side, but just keep going, and you need to probably open it up and scrape down the sides just to make sure all those chunks get really good and blended up, and then you'll end up with a really good pudding. I had leftover crust from our chocolate tart recipe that we did earlier, and I decided to make Kenny a little personal pudding tart with the leftover crust. If you are getting value from this video, hit the like button. You can always put it in parfait dishes or individual bowls, either way. And then garnish it however you would like. I chose strawberries today, but you can use any fruit or granola or any topping of choice, or just leave it plain. For the soup, the ingredients are tomato, red pepper, sea salt, garlic, nutritional yeast, celery, half of an avocado, lemon juice, carrots, and almond milk. You combine this all into a high-speed blender. You can use a food processor if you'd like. It will take a little bit longer to do, and you won't be able to get it to a heated version of the soup. Just continue to put everything in. What's your favorite way to eat avocados? Let us know in the comments below. Check out our free 5-day meal plan in the description. Blend up your soup, the whole mixture, and just continue to blend it till it gets nice and smooth. And if you want to have it as a cold soup, you can just stop it at any point. But if you want to have it a little warmer, you can just let it continue to process. Just be sure you don't get it above 118 degrees. In this case, we chose 106, and it was a very good temperature for eating soup. Then pour it into your bowl. and I sprinkle it with some parsley. You can use any herb. Basil or oregano or cilantro would be really good on this too.
Hey,
Well,
baby.
hey, guess who found on sale on avocados today?
Oh boy, guacamole?
Yeah, guacamole, you can have that. But I also made soup and some pudding. This is red pepper tomato soup with avocado as a creamer and thickener. And this is chocolate pudding. I know you love chocolate.
With avocado?
With avocado as the main ingredient.
Wow.
And I even like it, and I don't like avocados. But I do like them as an ingredient.
Let me try this.
Okay, try it.
Let's see.
We get a taste test.
It's thick.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah. It's very good. It's nice and creamy.
Let's see.
That's very good.
Yes, it's very fresh. It's just like the vegetables feel like, or taste like, just like they came from the garden. It's just so fresh.
And it's warm too.
Yeah, it's warm and it's still raw.
It's still raw. Okay, good.
Yeah, I didn't get it above the temperature.
Good.
So now.
Chocolate.
See what you think of that.
It's nice and creamy.
Yeah, thick.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's chocolate pudding. I can't even taste the avocado.
No, I never would know there's avocados in it. Not at all. It is just super delicious. Chocolatey, rich, creamy, and just very good.
It's awesome. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We upload healthy tips and recipes every week to get you to your best health yet. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.